Hi, I'm Kristen and I'm from One Focus Property Management, and today I'm going to take you on the tour of 1023 Elmira Street in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it has so many gorgeous features that you're sure to fall in love. So after I take you on the tour, I'll tell you how to make this the next place that you're calling home. Okay, we are outside on your very nice, spacious deck area. It overlooks the shared backyard, and I'm also just going to show you the steps, just so you get an idea of what you have coming in the door. So when we come through the entry door, we have a beautiful long hallway that connects all of your living spaces. First off is your bathroom. Cute and cozy. Wallpaper adds a real homey touch. I love the shelves in the tub shower. And then you've got this great pedestal sink. We're gonna zigzag over here to the kitchen. Loving the tall vintage style cabinets. As you can see, there is plenty of space here. And then when you come right over here, you have a really nice pantry area, and you could probably feasibly put like your cleaning supplies at the bottom and like your broom and stuff. Room in here if you'd like to do a small little table or something over here by the radiator, but the living room, once we get there, you'll see is very big and can accommodate a table. So we have the first bedroom here. It has beautiful, beautiful bay windows that look out on this gorgeous little neighborhood. Plenty of space for a king-size bed. And then you've got a really nice sized closet. Across the hallway is the second bedroom. Easily, again, fits a king-size bed. Not as gorgeous as the other one because it's got the big bay windows, but look at the closet. You get so much space. Absolutely love it. And then last but not least, we have this expansive living room area. If you'd like to have a dining room table, you could easily put one in here and still have a nice, big, relaxed area to have a couch, television, things like that. There is so much space. Also, there is another humongous closet. It's as deep as the one in the first bedroom, but it is much wider. So, storage space, you have a considerable amount. Well, now it's time to find out how to make this yours, because I don't have to ask if you like it because it's gorgeous. So, you go to www.onefocuspm.com and look at our residential listings. From there, you'll be able to see all of the property information. You'll be able to book a tour and even submit an application. If you'd like to talk to a real person, call the office today at 570-505-3347.